How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my entry into Cliff and Jamie's motorcycle group build, and let's see, the community question going out there. You know, Al Woods and Charlie Mack put out there. I guess I'll give my 2 cents worth, which is pretty much the same as everybody else, but I'll do it. All right, but before we do, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Never costs you a thing. Not in this channel, anyway. Yeah, I don't ask for money to grow. What's to grow? I mean, what we need to do to grow here, guys? I mean, I show you a model I built, and you watch. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what people say when they need to grow. They need to grow. Okay, grow. I ain't seen nobody grow yet, but beside the point. All right, well, okay, let's get this started. Y'all know Jamie G and Cliff. Cliff helped asked old Jamie G. I'll leave descriptions below to all these guys too. Anybody I mention will be below in the description. Go there, give them a like, subs, subscribe, share. Just support them like that. That's how you support my channel, is supporting other people. That's all I ask for, guys. And so, yeah. So I guess I'm going to show what I'm going to be building. And this is this group build this year is Yamaha's. So it could be any, you know, vintage Yamaha to modern day to racing bike. It don't matter, street bike, as long as it's a Yamaha. I think they said it was. You have to watch Cliff and them's video, however many years or whatever, Yamaha, whatever celebration. So I'm not for sure. You know, I don't ride bikes, so I don't know. But I do love to build them. That's why I'm a model guy. There's this one right here. This is a Yamaha Grand Prix 350 by Revell, 1/8 scale. This is a vintage kit. It is from 1969. I bought this off of the marketplace several years back. I had to go over to another town over, Greenwood, Arkansas, and I bought this thing. I think I give 20 bucks, 25 bucks, whatever for it. I give that all day long. Now the kit has just very minor starting, but it's nothing but wheel glued to the tire thing there, you know, but it'll come right back off. It was missing missing the side of the engine block, and the chrome's very bad on this. So I resin cast and molded the other side that I needed, so that's complete. Other than that, it's got the old literature and all the stuff for the motorcycle in there, you know. The chrome, here's some of the chrome. That chrome's in fairly decent shape, but then you got this one here that's really, the chrome's coming off of it. But other than that, it's molded in blue. Like some of the parts are off the tree, but it's molded in blue. Big old blue seat. Let's see, there's one of the I guess the frame. I mean, it's all there, guys. Like I said, the only thing that was started was just a wheel glued together, and I had missing part. And after I tracked all that down, did all that, then she's ready to go. So that is my motorcycle group build. Thank you, Cliff and Jamie, for hosting that. You know I've already built a couple before in the motorcycle group build. And then now the next answer are community questions going around, whatever. And it's about group builds. And of course, I host a group build, small scale. Me and Brian, Mr. BG, we host together the small scale group build that starts February 1st, and this year ends on the 29th. The shortest month for the smallest scale. So, but you know, I'll do another video on that. And of course, I got a video on that. So, if y'all want anything on that, that's where that's at. But okay. But the question is, You know, there's so many group builds going on, and yes, there are a lot of group builds, and you know, in the hobby right now and stuff. Me personally, I love group builds, and I don't participate in a lot of group builds, believe it or not. But I do certain ones every once in a while when I know I can finish or do it. And then that's the thing, guys. You just got to know your limits and know, you know, when it comes out. Okay, you got something else going on, whatever. You know, don't feel obligated to jump into them. You know, if you don't jump into my group build, that's fine. I mean, no problem. If you don't finish, that's fine. I mean, guys, this is all about having fun. Fun, 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 fun. And I'm glad to see all these group builds out there. So many different ones. And yeah, there's a bunch I haven't participated in, but there's a bunch I do participate in. There's some I want to participate in, but happen at a certain time that I can't jump in. You know, like everybody has family and health issues. Everybody has kids, work, you know, all that stuff. I mean, all the variables out there is just unreal. The main thing is, if you can and you want to, do it. If you don't want to, who gives a shit? Don't. Guys, it's all good. You're not good. We're all grown men and women here. It shouldn't hurt our feelings that somebody didn't jump in. Yeah, sometimes, you know, you hate not jumping into somebody that jumped into yours, but when it comes down to it, you got to know what you can do and when you can't. And, you know, it's all in fun. And sometimes you want to get stuff done that you want to do. You know, like I said, we're all grown adults. If you can't, you know, expect that, then what in the world are we doing here, guys? I mean, it's plain and simple. Do what you want to do when you want to do it, and it's all good. You know, if you can't finish, no problem. I've never had a group build, or I've never hosted a group build say, hey, dude, you said you were in and you didn't finish. What's up with that? I would never do that. So, I mean, I wouldn't want anybody else to do that or expect that. You know, it's all about fun. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Do it if you want to do it. Do as many as you want to do. Do as many as you think you can do. And if something happens and you can't, you can't. Not a problem. Not a problem at all, guys. You know, guys, I'm just rambling. I don't know what else to say about it that hadn't already been said. There's been so many good viewpoints out there and stuff. But it all boils down to just having fun. This is a hobby. This isn't a job. If it becomes a job, it's not a hobby. Okay, guys? And life happens. Family, first and foremost, comes before anything, and especially a hobby, guys. So, don't be afraid to say, okay, I'm going to jump into this, and then something happens and you can't finish it. It don't matter. You finish it when you want. You know, a lot of people don't ever make it a deadline, but they wind up finishing them, and some people just never finish them. I mean, you know, it is what it is. It's all about having fun. And if a group build appeals to you, jump in. If it don't appeal to you, but you thinking you feel obligated, don't worry about that. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. If you're not into it, don't do it. It's all about having fun. And there's so many group builds. There should be something out there to appeal to everybody. Believe me, this community is awesome. It all comes down to what you want to do. And if you don't want to do any, don't. If you want to do as many, do as many. If you want to do one or two, do one or two. If you just want to do one, do one. It don't matter, guys. We're all here to support each other. We're all here to have fun in the hobby. It is a fun hobby. And it don't matter if you're the most detailed and the greatest builder out there, and it takes you 1 year to build one damn model. It's all good. And if you're like me, you build them as fast and quick as possible. You don't ever airbrush. You just do whatever the hell you want to do. That's fun. That is fun. Yeah, I might put a little bit of detail into it, but it's just what you want to do. Just, you know, you might want to brush paint the damn thing. I don't care. Hey, it's all good. This naked model group build is just perfect. Adam, thank you, brother. I love that group build. I built that thing, that Corvette. I built that Corvette in less than 8 hours. and I built it like I would have when I was a kid. And that was one of the most enjoyable group builds I ever did. I just used markers. Man, matter of fact, it was just markers. I don't even think I broke the chrome foil out. It was just markers. I did wire the engine. I might have put a little carpet in it. Did a little black wash. But I mix matched, colored plastics. Man, it was awesome. It was awesome, guys. And one thing I love about my small scale group build, me and Brian, the cars, they can be this big, they can be this big, they're small, they're simple, but you can do as much as you want to them, as much detail as you want, or you can just glue the damn thing together. That's all that matters. Did you have fun? That's what it's all about. That is absolutely what it's all about. Love you guys. I rambled too long. You're tired of seeing my fat, ugly head. Oh, well, I might show one thing. Here's an update on my 57. I've got the chassis married to the body, the interior, the glass, and I got all the stuff wired up and done in there. All that's left now is wheels, tires, all the bright work. Back here, trunk, door handles. I mean, guys, that's all she's left, but she's looking good. And guys, I didn't even airbrush. I just rattle canned. And you know what else? That thing's shinier than a diamond in a goat's ass. And guess what? I brushed on some damn floor polish, and I'm happy with it. Yeah, it ain't no show winning car, but it's gonna look good sitting on my shelf. It's gonna look good in my cabinet. It's just gonna look good, and I had fun. Peace.